often referred to as the giant toddler. And if there's one thing I know about toddlers, it's that they like to make a mess when they eat. Oops! Oh no, I hope I don't spill mustard on the floor because I'm a giant toddler. Thanks, Mum. I would love some diced tomatoes. Oops! Oh no. I've really made a mess. I can understand why toddlers do this. This is so much fun. Which is why I have my mate, BISSELL. BISSELL cleans this mess up easily. Grab a cup of tea because you're about to witness the best part of owning a BISSELL, the self-cleaning mode. BISSELL isn't just a vacuum and a mop in one, he's also a friend.